Wanna know how to fix the login field error in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick fix on how to fix it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is just simply check your Wi-Fi connection. So you can just simply switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi. If you're connected on the Wi-Fi, just simply switch to mobile data once and attempt to log in. So if it works, bam, super simple and easy. So next thing, you can just simply head towards clearing out your cache. Just simply head towards a PUBG Mobile icon, hold it and go to app info. And once you're there, just simply on the bottom right, you can see clear data. Simply select it and then select clear cache right here. Make sure you don't select clear all data. So simply select clear cache and then select OK once again. So this should remove any junk files and then make your PUBG work a little bit smoother. Connect to VPNs. So if you have any regional issues, you can simply connect to VPNs like Singapore or Germany and then relaunch the game. Now next thing, you can also check the login method. Make sure your Facebook, Twitter or Google account is still linked and logged in to the same device. Still stuck? Reinstall PUBG Mobile. Sometimes reinstalling really helps. So for that, just simply hold your PUBG Mobile icon and select this trash can icon right here. Simply select it and then select uninstall a game. And after that is done, your game will be uninstalled. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.